Ben from Folkestone.
Yeah.
You've just won a Golf GTI, mate. Congratulations.
Feel like I was going to die.
Really?
Honestly, yeah.
Is there anything anyone watching this video can do to help you get back on track? So today is the big day. You're collecting your car that you won. How much did it cost you to win this car?
Nothing. Free.
Nothing. Completely free, yeah?
Completely free.
You're obviously a subscriber of the channel.
Yep.
Come on, man. Come on, let me show you the car. That's the 4 Series over there, by the way, the 435D. If you've not entered for your chance to win the 435D, head over to Planet of Dreams now. It's a stage 1 tuned X-Drive car wrapped in lime rock grey with some M4 parts. We're going to be announcing the winner live on Instagram this Friday, the 2nd of February at 3 PM. Good luck. This is it. The green Golf GTI. There she is. How does it feel, Ben?
Amazing.
Really?
Brilliant. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Olive green Golf GTI. We obviously bought the car in black.
Yeah.
How does it feel? So I called you on Friday, was it last week? It was?
Yeah, last week.
You've been pretty quick to collect the car, haven't you?
Yeah, I couldn't sleep.
It was really?
Yeah.
At the time you said you was in hospital?
Yeah, I was waiting to have an MRI scan.
Really?
Yeah.
And I think your missus answered the phone. I was like, hold on, have I got the right number?
She does all the calls. I don't generally use a phone.
Hello? Hello, sorry, I might have the wrong number. Is that not Ben, no? Guess not, it's not Ben, is it?
No, but my partner is a Ben.
Ah, that's why. Okay, can I speak to Ben, please? Was you already aware that you'd won the car? Did you see the email?
None.
So I called you, and it was a completely out of the blue phone. Oh, yeah, of course, because I was like, Ben.
I was ready to put the phone down.
Yeah, he was like, who's this weirdo calling me? And I strung it out.
Straight away, where do you live? Oh, this is odd.
Hello, is that Ben?
Yeah, it is.
Ben, what town do you live in, mate?
Why do you need to know?
Just because we're friends and I just want to make sure that I've got the right Ben. You're thinking that, I ain't going to tell this random guy where I live. Yeah. And then eventually the penny dropped. I said, do you know any Calvins?
Yeah.
And you were like...
As soon as you said YouTuber,
and then you was like...
your voice.
And do you know a YouTuber called Calvin?
Yeah, Calvin Hardire.
Yeah. Do you know him, yeah?
I don't recognise your voice now, mate.
You recognise my voice? Your tone's changed a little bit.
What's going on here?
So when did you actually... So let's talk about how you won this. So you logged in, we've done the 25 days of Christmas, the Advent thing
it was
on...
probably a week before Christmas, I think. Mm-hmm. I watched one of your videos. You keep promoting Planet of Dreams.
Yeah.
So I'll go and have a look at that. Done it. Carried on doing it over Christmas.
Yeah.
See the ST. Said I'm going to win it. Didn't happen. Carried on. And then...
This was our first giveaway of 2024.
Yeah.
And then literally the first Friday of 2024. And then, yeah, you were the winner. And we were talking about the chances of you winning, because you won your entry through through the 25 days of Christmas, which just randomly gives you a random entry to a prize for free. And then you use that random entry to enter for the car. So what are the chances you winning were so slim.
Yeah.
And yeah, you won it, man.
I feel bad to the people that have been doing it a lot longer than me. Like,
this is part of the game. You just don't know. This is the thing. You just don't know, and that's why I love it. Every time we do a giveaway, especially with a car, it's exciting for me because it's all just a big surprise, you know. And then I get to meet you. Like today, I get to meet you. You come down with your family, which is cool. And even the effort that goes into this car. I think I look back. We bought this car in August, so we're 6 months on now. Obviously, it was black. We got it wrapped, we got the wheels done.
because you had the other wheels done first, didn't you?
We had the other wheels done first and everyone was like, oh, I don't like them. Even the rear lights, again, it was silly stuff really. The rear lights before, a lot of people were like, why did you change the rear lights? Do you remember the rear lights before?
Yeah, they were darker ones.
They were darker, yeah, they were like black.
The red with the green.
We've got wheel spacers, we've got it tuned as well at VRS.
Yeah.
It's turned out to be a proper nice car, and everyone loves a Golf, don't they?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Kept the carbon fibre mirrors. We put the red badges on as well, which are pretty cool.
Yeah, they're nice. It's beautiful.
It's just it's a really cool looking car now, isn't it? Yeah. Not that it wasn't a bad looking car to start with, but
probably 20 years ago I had a Mark II GTR.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Everyone's got a story about owning a Golf at some point.
Yeah, I ripped that off.
Really? Oh, there you go. So what do you drive at the minute then?
I just sold it yesterday. I had a Passat Highline Estate, 2 litre diesel.
Oh, really?
I had stage 1 remap on that.
Blimey.
But it's, like I say, because of the being off work,
yeah,
things go wrong with it and it's just got worse and worse and worse. So.
seatbelt on. There's your key, sir. Carbon fiber's all nice in here, isn't it?
It is lovely, lovely.
It is really good. So, let's talk about you then.
Yeah.
So, obviously, you was in hospital.
Yeah.
How's your health? Is everything all right?
Yeah, I'm because 2 years ago, out working, I was gardener then. Started getting pains in my stomach.
Hold on, sorry, I just realised your mic's on the jacket.
Oh, God, that's the other first.
sorry. that's your We'll put it on there. There we go. Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, so I started getting pains when I was at work. I was like, I've got to go home. I went home, it got worse. Partner said you need to go to hospital. I was like, no, I'm all right. And it got that bad.
Yeah.
Had to go to hospital. Sat in the waiting room in agony.
What, so this is in your stomach, yeah?
Yeah.
Which area of your stomach? Because I had the same thing in the bottom right.
Yeah, bottom right. So I sat there it felt like forever. Someone come and grabbed me and said, you all right? I said, I'm in agony, I can't deal with this.
Yeah.
Took me in, they done tests, lifting my legs up to see if I got appendicitis. Mm-hmm. Took me for a scan, they said my bowel had ruptured.
What?
So,
I'm going to go right here, sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. My bowel had burst.
Yeah.
So, went down for surgery, I was down there 5 hours.
Blimey.
They cut me right up the middle, I got a scar all the way up the centre of my
Really?
chest, yeah. And then they said worst case scenario, I'd end up with a colostomy bag. Mm-hmm. I woke up and that's what I had.
Blimey. Well, this all happened basically in a matter of 24 hours.
Yeah,
then.
yeah.
So you
yeah.
had a pain in your stomach, before you knew it, you was in hospital, then you was having an operation,
Yeah.
and then you come out the next day with a bag.
Yeah.
And well, how did it happen then? How did it initially...
I've got, it's called diverticulitis.
Okay.
Didn't know I had it. Should have been found earlier and then they could have told me, what to do, what not to do.
Yeah.
And I didn't know. So...
What, did you have stomach issues before?
I've always had stomach pains. Mm-hmm. Live with it. I never bothered me. I've just got on with it.
Mate, you must have been in agony with that.
I've never had pain like it ever.
That is like...
And then after was worse when I woke up, what I went through then.
Oh.
I started feeling sick. I had a drain pipe in my side, draining fluids out. Started feeling sick, so I've started being sick, and it was green stuff coming out of me. Mm-hmm. They come in, had to force a tube down my nose. So it was draining
to drain
me then.
the fluids,
draining me then. Yeah, I thought,
mate, that is...
did feel like I was going to die.
Really?
Honestly, yeah.
Blimey. That is, mate, that's up here. I can relate. I can't relate to that extent, but I've had some pretty serious stomach issues over the years as well, and I ended up in hospital last year with my appendix.
Yeah.
And I feel lucky it was just my appendix, like after the story you've just told.
It was just like they tell you can have it reversed. I think it was 6 months originally.
Yeah.
And then over 2 years later, I'm still waiting.
Really?
Yeah.
So what's your? You said you're not working. So what's your work situation at the minute? You're not working at all.
Not working at all, no.
Because of your health.
Because of my health, and I don't generally speak to people. I don't go out that often. When this happened, it made it a million times worse. Stopped going out. I put on loads of weight. I've always been big. Put on more weight. I got up to 20 stone, and then I went to have my checkup to be reversed. He said I got to get down to 16.5 stone. So I've been since October.
Yeah.
Diet, and I've managed to lose just over 2 stone so far.
Well done.
So
well done, man. That's brilliant.
It's going the right way.
And how are you feeling in yourself? Is everything you feel okay?
Good.
You feel good.
And this raised the bar.
Really?
You know what I mean?
It's
given me such a boost.
That is so good. I could almost feel that from you on the phone. And at the time when I called you, it was like a live stream, and I've got to sort of play the game a little bit and keep the suspense up. But I could feel from straight down. I could feel from you on the phone that this was massive.
Yeah. To be honest, I was getting emotional.
Really?
I felt emotional because it was like lifted a weight off my shoulders because I was worrying about my car, turbo going. I haven't got the money to do it. It's only my partner that works. She's a dinner lady, so there's not loads of money coming in. We make do.
Yeah, you get by.
Get on with it and get by. So
this coming along at that point in time.
Yeah.
First week of January.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, that's
Brilliant.
so good. So, your health's on track. Is it on
Yeah,
good track?
on track,
Isn't it? Yeah?
yeah.
You're obviously losing weight, which you're
feeling better.
you're feeling better in your head, which is super important. And then from a work point of view, do you intend on?
Yeah, I want to go back to doing the gardening.
Is that what you're doing
I'll do
before?
that. Yeah, I'll do that with a mate. He's carried on.
Gardening, yeah?
Yeah, self-employed gardener. Yeah. Originally I was a welder, but I give that up.
Is there anything anyone watching this video can do to help you get back on tracks? Have you got work doing gardening?
Yeah.
So you're
yeah.
so you can click back into
As soon as I can get this all reversed and I'm back feeling
back on it,
better,
yeah.
then it'll be I'm coming back.
And when do you hope that's going to happen?
I'm hoping it'll be sometime after April. That's when I've got to next see my surgeon,
Okay.
and hopefully I'm down to the weight that I should be,
Yeah.
and then get a date.
So you're going to keep on tracks with your weight loss?
Yeah, but I've got to be cut straight down the middle again because I've got a hernia now.
Oh.
That's all got to be fixed. So it is straight down the middle, and then the recovery through that again. So it's quite a long road yet, but
the worst is behind you.
worst
by the
is
sound of
behind me.
things,
Yeah,
which is really important there.
yeah.
And the car situation now,
Oh.
like you say, you've sold your Passat. That had a few issues.
Yeah.
What did you do? Sell it privately?
Yeah, yesterday.
You sold your car yesterday.
Yeah.
You're here today collecting your new car.
I wasn't bothered about money. It was like £500 I sold it for, and the bloke obviously snapped my arm off because I had 7 months MOT. Could still drive it. It drove fine. It just
Yeah.
had issues.
Just had loads of
I
issues.
just-
And now you've got this that you won for nothing.
That's amazing.
That's amazing. That is amazing. So how long have you been watching the channel for?
I'm going to say it's got to be 3-4 years. It's got to
Really?
be,
Oh, a
it's
long
got to
time
be that
then.
long, yeah.
Oh, that's
I mean, it was
brilliant.
you were at your old place.
Yeah.
I've seen the videos with the G-Wiz. Was it G-Wiz?
Yeah, the
So
G-Wiz.
it's-
Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, we've done that went on Planet Dreams as well, actually.
I've got to be honest. I'm glad I didn't win that.
Even the guy that won it, he said, "It's not Calvin. I'm happy and I'm grateful, but of all the cars I could have won."
Yeah.
But it worked out well because I ended up buying it back off him, and then we've done the
Oh,
Tesla
yeah.
project on it as well. So it was good. I mean, like from my point of view, I say it all the time. It's amazing for me to be sat here handing the keys to someone for a car that they've just won for nothing.
I
Like,
think it's amazing you do it for people. I mean, you don't have to do it. And
I enjoy it. I
Yeah.
enjoy it, and it keeps momentum going.
Yeah.
For some reason, I've become obsessed with looking at cars that are ideal for giveaway cars on Planet
Yeah,
Dreams,
yeah.
and I keep just overspending. But it's exciting. It's exciting, and I don't know. I love it. And if for me, days like today is a buzz. Even as much as it's that your stories, you know, the last 2 years have been tough for you.
Yeah.
I'm glad that, you know, we all deserve a bit of hope, man. And hope's what keeps us going. And for me to be intervening in your journey and just saying, there you go, there's a car for nothing, that feels good for me, man.
thank you.
So I'm grateful as well. And I'm grateful, obviously, for the support. So, cool. I don't know what else to say.
All I can say is thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. We can turn around here actually if you want to spin it in there, or if it's a bit of a pain, continue going. We'll get back on.
Getting used to automatic.
Yeah. You'll soon get used to it. You'll be used to it by the time you get home. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Sounds beautiful.
It does sound good. It's 330 horsepower as well.
that's,
so it's-
I'm worried because I do tend to have a heavy foot.
Oh, really?
Like this is me being good.
Oh,
Like,
you'll love
I
it.
keep telling my missus I've got to slow down a bit for me in my old age.
Yeah, yeah, chill out. So, I think that's everything. We've covered everything.
Yep.
You've done everything you needed to do. I was going to say that obviously this Friday we're going to be announcing the winner of the 435D. I was with a customer yesterday who was filming a video in a car, and he's a subscriber to the channel, and he said to me, Calvin, do you know what? The whole time I've been following you, I didn't realise that you could enter into Planet Dreams for free.
Right, yeah.
And he said, you should tell people more that you can do it for free. And I feel like I do tell everyone.
Yeah,
but
you do. Yeah, that's how I found out.
Here's how you
And I
found it,
thought,
yeah.
have a look.
So the same rule applies for the 435D. To anyone that's watching this video, go to Planet Dreams and enter for free. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you're more than welcome to enter for free. You don't need to pay, and you know, you're just getting that one chance of entering and of one chance of winning even. And you're a perfect example
Yeah,
of someone who got that one chance,
yeah.
and you won it. So I'm going to be live on the Planet Dreams Instagram at 3 PM this Friday, announcing the winner of that car. And that's everything, man. Anything? What's your final last words?
Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it.
Welcome. Guys, hit like if you like the video, hit subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.